Hello all. This tutorial will introduce the basic commands, pline, spline, circle, rectangle, mirror, fillet, extend, and stretch, to complete floor plans, including exterior walls and interior walls, floors, millwork, and openings. If needed, you can turn on and off AutoCAD system grid by press the F7 key. You can use the ortho command and snap command for easier control. Polyline command. This command is for creating a connected line. Once you make an element with a polyline, the lines will be connected. This connection is useful in controlling each element. To create a polyline. Step 1. Type PL on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Specify a start point. Step 3. Specify the next points. Step 4a. If you want to close the object, type C on the keyboard and press the Enter key. Step 4b. If you want to finish the object without closing the object, press the Escape key. Polyedit command. This command is used to convert line objects to a polyline. Step 1. Type PE on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Specify an object to convert a polyline. Step 3. Type Y and press the Enter key to turn the objects into one object. Step 4. Select Join on the command bar. Or type J and the Enter key. Step 5. Select all connected objects that you want to join as a polyline, and press the Enter key. And press the Enter key one more time to finish the command. Explodes command. This command is to convert a polyline or a block to line objects. Step 1. Select an object which is a polyline or a block to convert to line objects. Step 2. Type X on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Spline command. This command is for creating a connected curved line. This command may not be needed for the Eames house project, but you will need it for your other project. Step 1. Type SPL on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Specify the first point. Step 3. Specify the next points. Step 4. Press the Enter key to finish. Circle command. Step 1. Type C on keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Specify a center point. Step 3. Specify a radius by typing a specific number by clicking a specific point. Rectangle command. Step 1. Type REC on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Specify a first corner point. Step 3. Specify another corner point. Mirror command. Step 1. Type MI on keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Select an object or objects, and press the Enter key. Step 3. Specify the first point of the mirror line. Step 4. Specify the second point of the mirror line. Step 5. Decide whether to erase the source objects or not. And press the Enter key to complete the command. Fillet command. This command is to create a corner between two objects. Step 1. Type F on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Select the first object. Step 2a. If you want to create a smooth corner, you can specify radius by type R and press the Enter key. And type specific number. And press the Enter key. The radius information will be stored. If you want to create a sharp corner, the R equals 0. Step 3. Select the second object to connect two objects. Trim command. Step 1. Type TR on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Select cutting edges. Step 3. Select object, S, to trim, and press the Enter key to complete the command. Extend command. Step 1. Type EX on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Select the boundary of an object or objects. Step 3. Select Object, S, to extend, and press the Enter key to complete the command. Stretch command. Step 1. Type S on the keyboard, and press the Enter key. Step 2. Select Objects, specify the portion of the object that you want to stretch, using the crossing object selection method, and press the Enter key. Step 3. Specify the base point. Step 4. Specify the destination point to complete the command. Note: there is no right or wrong way to draw a floor plan. Be creative, designers. Let's complete the floor plans. You do not need to draw these elements yet: columns, furniture, windows, doors, patterns, symbols, plumbing, dimensions, and texts. This is the drawing process for the floor plan. Save the file before closing the application. Save in a different location for the backup, example a cloud folder. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to draw the floor plans and all the essential commands for the floor plans. Thank you.